What'd you say?
He looks so tall up there on the house, Daddy. He's gonna fall down from there.
You think so?
Yeah.
Is he big?
Yeah.
How big is he?
He's like,
You having trouble finding him again?
no. Oh, he's like 30,004.
30,004?
Yeah. He's like 30,000.
Wow. That's big. Is that the biggest bird that's ever been on your swing set?
Yeah, that's the biggest bird. I haven't seen that kind of bird before.
I know, they don't come on our swing set very often, do they?
No. Hey, Dad. Maybe if we see it again on a mountain someday, maybe we could bring these with us, and then maybe I could spot him.
Yeah. What are those?
Eagles.
No, what are you looking through? What are those called?
I forgot.
You know what they are. You just ask for them. Oh, that's backwards. He's going to look far
I
away.
can barely see my house. It's too far. Dad, I can barely see the eagle from over there. Well, my house.
He kind of looks like an eagle, huh?
Yeah.
He looks like a golden eagle. I don't know if he's a red-tailed hawk because he's got a barred tail instead of a red tail.
Yeah.
Maybe he's a red...
Dad, I can barely. Oh.
We should get a book because he kind of looks like a red-shouldered hawk.
Yeah. I can barely see the hawk.
Well, it's because you're looking through the binoculars backwards, crazy girl.
Well, I like looking through the binoculars.
Don't put your fingers on the lenses, okay?